Alright, y'all, back with another summertime car. We got a 1978 Lincoln Continental convertible, finished in this beautiful gold color, sitting on a set of 20-inch gold wire spokes as well. Stay tuned, take you all around her, test drive. Alright, so as you can see, this car is beautiful. It's finished in this the color is called medium camos, but when you look at it, it's just a beautiful gold color, like a nice, good gold / tan, but it's beautiful in person. And then it's sitting on a set of 20-inch gold spokes with the Vogues that just sits it off all the way together. Rolling down the side, you can see all of the trim is intact where it's supposed to be from the chrome, and the body moldings going down the side. It's pouring down rain outside today, so we will go ahead and get the top up. You'll see how that looks. Windshield itself is in excellent condition. We have no cracks, any rock chips or anything like that. Moving further down the side, again, body is in excellent condition. No waves or any rock chips or dents or dings or anything to point out. She appears to be pretty straight. Checking out the trunk, again, this paint shows amazing under the light. Trunk is in great condition, as well as all of the chrome around the tail lights. Bumper is solid, no rusting, no pitting, and I don't see, actually I see a little tiny dent right here. Kind of had to zoom in to see it, but checking out the driver's side, again, she appears to be pretty straight. No waves, no dents or anything to point out. Let me see. You got a couple little love marks right here where it looks like somebody rubbed up against it. Otherwise, again, the paint looks perfect as we've been going around it. Again, windshield is solid. Looking at the hood is in great condition. No little rock chips, no dents, and appears to be properly aligned because we don't have any paint coming from the corners. Getting to the front of the car, the grille is in good condition. All the chrome is intact. Also, the trimming around the headlight shows solid, and front bumper is good. You don't see any dents or dings to point out. So let me grab the keys. We'll check out the trunk and then pop the hood as well. Popping the hood, you can see that she is clean. She's got the big boy 460, 3-speed automatic, power steering, AC does work, and power brakes as well, of course. Overall, like I said, it's just super clean under here, well maintained, no signs of rust, and the engine space still looks clean from day one. And then under the hood as well, still has the original coating. See, check out this trunk. Trunk's got a little bit of weight to it. Oh, it's the shocks. Okay. So as you can see, trunk is super clean, but more important than that, we got all of the paperwork as well. We got a couple of 8-tracks in here, more than a couple actually. Whole lot. Got a whole bunch of 8-tracks. Got all our shop manuals, pre-delivery paperwork, and more 8-tracks. So decent little collection for anybody that collects stuff like that. Trunk shows nice and clean. Checking out the interior. Seats are in great condition. Kind of got that two-tone going on to match the outside with a little bit of a lighter cream, banana cream color. As you can see, the lights do work. Everything is power operated and works as well. Seats are in good condition, no rips, no tears, just your normal, usage. Panels are solid as well. Looking at the driver's panel, no warping, peeling or anything. It looks pretty solid. Again, the lights work. Jams are solid. And getting to the driver's seat, you just got your normal wear and tear from somebody actually driving, but no crazy rips or anything, just your normal, you know, your leather wear. Checking out the dash. Dash is in great condition, no warping, no cracks, so nothing to worry about there. Of course, you got your Town Coupe badging, you got your Cartier watch, clock. Odometer reads 5,468. And like I said, it's just super clean. Carpet is clean in here too. You got your old school 70s shag style carpet, but super clean. We'll check everything once we get ready to go on the test drive. Checking out the passenger side. Again, passenger seat is in great condition. No rips or tears or anything. Carpet, footwells, glove box, super clean. And checking out this passenger side door. Again, all the panels are in shape. No warping, no cracks. It's just a beautiful car all the way around. So stay tuned. We'll go ahead and get on the test drive. We'll go ahead and get started. Fires right up as expected. Windows shoot up pretty fast. We'll go ahead and get them all up because again, it is storming outside. Should have put the backs up first, but force of habit. As you can see, the alignment's solid on them and everything. Lights do work. I can hear the vacuum. They just popped on. Let's see. I hear the turn signals, but I do not see them in the dash, so we'll check that. I'm tripping. Horn works. I'm messing around clicking cruise control. Radio works. And of course AC and heat works, which we already knew. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get the top put up. We'll check out the outside of the top once we get it on the rack. And lines up perfectly. Super clean. So let's go ahead, throw her in the drive. As with all these big Lincolns, they got big power and they just float. They eat up the road. So I don't expect anything different with this Town Coupe. Again, like I said, it is, oh, I guess I should have, there we go. Wipers do work. Guess it's beneficial to check those now. And I've driven this car multiple times before. We actually had it before and then got it back. You know, they enjoyed it for the summer and then brought it back to us. So let me see. There we go. So I love this car. I think she just floats. Speedometer is working. Got me doing about 25. Brakes are solid, not soft or anything like that. Of course, with the 20-inch wheels, that doesn't impact ride in any way at all. I know we get a lot of calls about that. There's no impact to the ride at all. Hands off the wheel, she's tracking perfectly straight as you expect. Like, this big girl will eat up the highway miles easy. And then these seats are so comfortable. It's like sitting in business class at you know, on a flight. So we'll turn the wipers on, let them get a little bit of work in. She's just cruising. Once I hit this stop sign, I'll go ahead and give her a little bit of gas, but you know, this ain't one of them cars that you meant to be spinning out in and racing people either. But just so you can see the type of power that she does have and that the transmission is shifting smoothly. All right, now I'm about up to 40, and again, she's perfectly straight tracking. Suspension feels nice and solid. She's just floating, eating up the road. So, which I, again, very rarely do I drive a Lincoln that doesn't, you know, doesn't drive well. Most of the time, they've been well maintained. And again, I can hear the turn signals, I just don't see them in the dash. So check it out and see. Windows up, top up. There is no rain. It's raining pretty hard here right now, and I see no water coming down the windows. Obviously, you know, you're rolling the dice anytime you drive a 50-year-old car in rainstorms, but you know, occasional rain does come out of the blue sometimes. And like I said, in this case, I'm not seeing any water around the back convertible top, and I'm not seeing any along the window. So give me a moment, we'll be back. Get it right, y'all. We got the 78 up on the rack. Checking out the rear first. Rear bumper looks excellent. No signs again of any rust or cracks underneath. Just got your normal dirt. Again, we did just come off the test drive, and it is raining, so you'll see a little bit of water underneath, but I don't think it hides how clean this thing is underneath. You can see all the original coating still here. Gas tank looks solid. All of the frames, the frame extensions, the trunk pan, everything looks super clean. We got drum brakes in the back. Looks like stock suspension all the way around. Maybe the shocks were changed out at some point in time, but everything else looks to be OG. Floor pans look super clean, and the frame. Again, we got original coating here, so no soft spots, no patchwork, nothing's been done. And the frame appears to be pretty straight as we're moving through. No signs of any leaks from the oil or transmission pan. Looking at the ground, again, I got water everywhere, but I don't see any oil or anything. Looking at the front, we got disc brakes, all the stock suspension. Again, I do think the shocks have been changed. They're red in the front and back, and it looks like we got new hardware, so that's kind of a sign that it's been swapped. I don't see any leaks or anything consistent, you know, from power steering, radiator, or the AC. Like I said, it's just a super solid, clean car underneath. Front bumper, more the same. No cracks, no rust or anything. Rolling down the passenger side. All the chrome is where it's supposed to be. Wheel wells are solid. Rims are brand new, so tires and rims do match. Checking out the chrome trim underneath as well as the body. No dents or anything to point out. And rear quarter panel looks solid underneath. Rear quarter panel on the driver's side, more the same. So this is just a super turnkey Lincoln, that probably the cleanest one that we've had for sure. All right, y'all, so you can see with the lights on, they're vacuum operated. The lights do work. And then we got the top up too. It's kind of like a off-white, kind of like a cream color. Goes super good with the top, with the rest of the car. In excellent shape, glass good, no rips, no tears, and as you saw, it went up with 0 issues. So you interested in this Lincoln, give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, we appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe below.